Hi guys, welcome to the third part of this particular C++ project of the digital clock and the countdown timer. So in the previous part we had used to, that is put time and all, we had used some different kind of functions. So we'll understand what it is actually in this particular program. We had seen how to display the time as well, and we have converted it into current time and all. So we'll be seeing that in detail. So let me start with the program. Here we have two concepts. One is std time and std local time, and one more is std put time. So this put time is basically the library in the IO manip. So basically it converts everything into human readable strings. So that is why we use put time to convert that and to print it in a human readable format. Now, std time is that library which provides the current system time. Now after that we have this in the form of time t. So this was until 1990. So after, post that we have to update that. So post that we are not using time t, using local time. So this local time converts this time t into tm. So this tm is the current time whatever we are using right now. Alright, so let us jump into the code. So here you can see we get the current time basically here using that library time t. Now that that current time is stored in time t, so then we have to convert that into the actual current human readable format. So here we are using that we are converting that into human readable format in this particular line. Now here we are seeing how to display the raw current time structure. Basically what is that? We can see. So till 1900 we were using one particular time. Now from 1900 we have to add the current time. So basically this is the current time. After 1900 we are adding the current time. So basically this started from 1900. So after that when we add, we get the exact time, exact year. Now after that we have to display the year followed by the month. So in this month we have to add 1. So why are we adding 1 is basically this, in this system the the index starts from 0. So Jan is 0, February is 1, it goes like that. So final December ends at 11. But what we are using is 1 is Jan and 12 is December. So when we add 1, we get the exact proper month. So now we have to add the month. After that we have to add the day, which comes with the day function. Now after that we have to add the hour. So current time, the hour, minute, and then followed by the second. So this is what we're displaying, the raw structure of the time. Now after that we have to print the time in this format, that is year, month, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So we have to display that in this format. So we say the formatted time in this format is we are using put time to display that. Now why we are using put time? Again, like I said, it converts everything into human readable format, so we can easily read it. Now after that we have to print it in one more format, that is days, months, year, how we write actually on the paper, and then hours and minutes, no seconds here. So again the same thing, we are using this different format, that's it, to display. Now after that we take the default suffix as th. So for example 13th, 14th, 15th, th. Now if we are using that formula, if the current whatever the day, it is divisible by 10, the number is divisible by 10, if it is equal to 1, the remainder is equal to 1, then we add st, that is first, like that. Okay, now after that if it is divisible by, if this thing is 2, if it is in the 20s range, then we say end, second. Okay, then again for rd for 3 ending with third. Okay, except 11th, 12th, and 13th. So we say 21st, 22nd, 23rd, but here 11th, 12th, and 13th we are using th. So for that we are simply keeping th as the default thing. After that we have to just display the formatted time. We just display the output. Now let me run the program and show. Yeah, so you can see this is what we have done here. After post 1900 we have added. So the year is 2025, month is 11, day is 21, that is the 21st of November 2025. hour is 10, minute is 56, second is 33. Now you can see here again this thing is same displayed in this format, and now it is displayed in this format, that is the day first format. Here is the year first format. After that we are not using seconds here. Now this formatted time basically shows 21st of November, that is what we did here, 21st, because it ends with 1, we are adding the suffix st. So 21st November 2025, 10:56 a.m. Let me submit the program. So it expresses the past, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.